Around 20 years ago, as global warming became a hot topic in America, I didn't think much about what was happening to the environment. Since then, numerous environmental issues have become known. Renewable sources are becoming popular with rises in wind, solar, and geothermal power. Water pollution and recycling of plastics, aluminum, and other products are becoming popular. According to the United States Census, Nebraska's population is 1.83 million, and the U.S. population is 326.9 million people. With this many consumers, the United States must find ways to improve the environment to make it sustainable for our future generations. First, I'd like to talk about geothermal power. Today, I heard on the news that Nebraska's capital will be cooled and heated by geothermal power within the next year. Next, I'd like to talk about wind power. As my husband and I traveled across 3 states last weekend, as we entered Iowa, we were inundated with wind turbines. According to the Iowa Environmental Census, 36.6% of Iowa's electricity is produced by wind, and they are the number one state in the nation for wind power. Next, I'll talk about solar panels. As we traveled into Minnesota, my husband and I noticed how traffic signs, construction sites, and even transformers were powered by solar panels. In a manufacturing company in Iowa, they use both solar and wind to produce electricity for their facility. Next, I'd like to talk about water pollution. Nebraskans really should be concerned with pollution of the water, with pesticides runoffs from fields, from cattle yards or feedlots producing waste, and even plastics are harmful to Nebraska's water sources. If we as Nebraskans are not careful with this, we may not have a drinkable water source in the near future. Next, I'd like to talk about plastics. Americans consume 1,500 bottles per second of water, which equates to 50 billion per year. And as a classmate shared with us, for one plastic bag to disintegrate, it takes 3,000 years at the landfill. With statistics like that, we as Americans do need to be concerned about recycling plastic. When we recycle plastic, we provide playground equipment, carpet, plastic bottles, and even more plastic bags. 3 large corporations have joined in the effort to eliminate plastic. American Airlines, Starbucks, and Hilton Hotels will eliminate plastic straws by the year 2020 with biodegradable products. I personally feel communities need to recycle at all public locations in order to protect our environment. My fellow classmates have taught me so many things about the environment and how we Americans take it for granted. I'm a huge recycler, and because of what I found out about plastics, I now use renewable bags at the grocery store and purchase biodegradable plates and bowls and use glass whenever possible. If even half of us Americans would participate in recycling, our environment will be a better place now and into the future. Remember, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Thank you.